Hi guys, I'm back with episode 4 of Raised by Wolves. Really enjoying it. Last episode we saw that they tried to escape, didn't make it, and the other kid is lost by himself and fell through a hole. I don't know if it was a trap because it seemed like it was layered on. It could have been a trap built for other animals, um, which means there might have been some kind of intelligent life form out there on the planet. Those beasts do look like some kind of evolved human, or not human, but humanoid kind of animal because they it looked like they had like fingers that just turned into claws. They have a skull, they have a little tail. Yeah, they didn't look right. They look like the creatures from what's that film? The Descent. You know, those underground creatures, the burrowers. Yeah, they look kind of like that. Obviously, they in the Descent they were blind. I don't think they're blind in this one. But like I said in I think on the second episode when they appeared, they got to start teaching how to hunt, teaching how to defend themselves, making spears and arrows. I'm sure they have strings so they can make some kind of rudimentary arrows to at least defend themselves. And they have now with the crash plenty of metal. They could start making swords and stuff. That would be cool. But they'd have to make I'm sure they have technology or they have the know-how how to make a a blacksmith. Um, but yeah, it looks good. I've really enjoyed it so far. Let's get on to episode 4. Forgot about those. Oh, that's it.
There's no need to run. If you can hear me, I want you to scream out as loud as you can. You are not safe.
I figured they'd shoot out pods somehow. Yeah, it looks like it's overgrown. Maybe it's not a trap. Maybe it's just a forest.
It's time to sleep now, Paul.
That's so cool. That's just right straight to the core. Damn. Maybe that's what heats up the planet. Who knows? That's cool. Let's just quickly skip that. Don't know how. There you go. Yeah, so that those holes go straight to the core. It looked like the core there, or at least the beginning of the core. Um, Maybe that's how they're made. Maybe they're bullets. I can't believe he's getting them to he's not walking. That is an absolute shit, man. Dude, why don't guys just chuck him over and say you wanna walk, walk. We're not carrying you. What's he gonna do? Ban them? What's that? What's that pentagon? That is absolute. That is the word. Man, I swear. If a leader ever did that, it's bullshit.
Civilization. This is intelligent design. Symmetry.
It has 5 points, like in the prophecy. You'll know them by their shape and their number. The temples in the Holy Land where Sol hid the answers to the Mithraic mysteries.
It's warm. Take off your gloves. It's warm. You can feel it. The power of soul coming from inside.
Well, that's just a load of crap.
It's warm.
The android's like, what the shit? Idiots. And they're like, yeah, what the fuck?
Keep your eyes closed, children. I'm weaponized.
And I lost Mouse down the pit. And then I fell and I thought I was gonna burn up. And she saved me. The necromancer, she saved me. We'd all be dead if it weren't for Mother and Father.
The android only showed up because we prayed to Soul.
You acted like a coward. We all did. Except for Vita. Can't believe I lied to Father.
You're insulting your real parents when you call them that, you know.
I never knew them. How can I insult them?
You can. They're with Soul in the light. They're always watching you, just like our parents are.
Is that where your mouse is now too? With Soul? No, animals don't go anywhere when they die. Death is the end of them.
He's trying to make amends.
I thought you destroyed them.
I like to recycle whenever possible.
I'm sorry they tricked him like that. Your android friend.
Father can be very trusting.
But that's good. I've had a boyfriend back on Earth who was kind of the opposite. It was exhausting.
That's cool.
Powers I possess have only just come to light, and I fear Father may now feel inadequate.
Well, can he do things that you can't do?
He's quite amusing at times.
Do you wish he was as powerful as you are?
I want what is best for you, for the colony, for your baby. We'll find a way to make sure that everyone is taken care of.
Maybe you could use your mobile lab to bring it to term. Like you did with Campion and the others.
Very true.
Child. What are you making?
Scalpel.
Scalpel.
What? Wait. Wait, no. I didn't mean that you should take it out now. Are you listening to me?
It's time to sleep now, Tempest. Sleep now.
No, I don't listen.
Ah. Genius. She's taking the trackers out. That's so cool. It'd be nice to be able to do that with my daughter. I like, sleep now. And she was asleep. It's sleep now, and 3 hours later she's still playing, going, I can't sleep. Dude, you know what you could do? Is put it on that monster thing and let it go. Or keep it yourself and they track you instead.
How it goes when you talk to people.
Yeah. That's because you're not one of them, but yeah, it makes sense.
Excuse me, Your Eminence. The once again, we should mobilize.
Sol has left us a gift. We can't leave until we open it.
We can come back here after we get the children.
As much as it pains me to say this to you, Sue, but it may mean that the children aren't meant to be rescued. We can't jeopardize our holy mission because we're too weak to sacrifice the things we love.
No, you just please do not listen to her.
Sacrifice the children. What kind of freaking holy mission is that? That is absolute shit, man. They're innocents.
We'll stay here. We'll use the explosives to make an entrance, and then we'll get moving.
No! We must be careful not to destroy what's inside.
What are you, stupid?
Please.
Lift me up, Father.
If you can't get it yourself, it's not really a viable food source, is it?
That's a good point. I love that he doesn't move. He's just like, oh. Nice. That's a good throw. Those look like nuts.
Digestible?
Yes, go on.
Favorable composition?
Yes.
Some caloric value?
So it could work. We can eat it. We won't have to kill it.
The lander will have to do a more rigorous analysis.
That looks like hazelnuts.
I was wondering if you could take a look at my hand.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
He's praying. Oh man. He's been indoctrinated, I swear to God.
It's really going to work.
Trace levels of hydrocyanide. It's toxic.
Everything's toxic in this planet. You gotta remove the toxicity first.
Soul, catch the spirit before it falls so he may join you in eternity. Shine your light as he walks the dark corridor. Wait! Yes, wait! I said wait!
Your Eminence, it's an earwig. It's one of ours. Captain, look.
You're trying to get rid of me, Your Eminence.
I would never resort to such.
That's bullshit.
How do you explain this? Well, go on. So this man has never set foot on a battlefield. Now, he treats those of us that did like we're disposable.
If I had fought in the war, I would not be able to carry the light. We all have our duties, our functions, but if you wish to challenge Saul's law, I implore you, strike me down.
She has the earwig transmitter. It was her.
They often malfunction when they lose pairing with their
That's
subjects.
bull crap.
No need to apologize for your accusations, Captain. Your error was understandable. Anyway, it looks like she can still be repaired. No repair necessary.
Nah, man, he told her to do it. That looks humanish. That's freaky, man. Is he gonna let? Oh my god, Campion. Seriously.
Champion, stop!
I'm setting it free. I won't let you do it.
Yes, you've changed my mind. You're going to do it. Now, grip this tightly, and when you're ready, jam the spear into the creature's flesh. Then repeat the action until it dies. It will take practice to get over the revulsion the act will trigger, but those feelings will dissipate with practice. You can do this, Campion. It's part of growing up.
Then I want to remain a child.
Perhaps your new friends will feel differently about this. I will handle this, Mother.
They need to defend themselves.
I won't involve Tempest.
Not Campion either. He can continue to eat the carbos. There's no reason to make him do this.
I'd also like to spare him from this, but we can't. Give me a few hours, and when you come back, it'll all be done.
I noticed some debris from the Mithraic arc in the forest. Perhaps I can find the parts I need to repair the mobile lab. Tempest needs to eat soon. If this isn't done by the time I return, I'll do it myself.
Well, are we setting it free?
I'm sorry, Campion.
Mother! You know this is wrong. I know you do. You're good, Father.
Goodness will not fill your stomach.
I don't care. We're not doing it.
Easy for you to say, Campion. You can eat the carbos.
Yeah. I'm the son of a senior cleric. I can't kill. That would make me impure. But killing can be done by military families and androids like yourself.
It's for all of you now. If you want to survive. Eventually, Mother and I will be gone, and you will have to take care of yourselves. As your number grows, so will your need for food. So you will begin hunting. Now, one of you, take up the spear and kill it as quickly as you can.
Our leader has lost his faith. We are being tested, and we must not falter. I know your network is possessive unless you want them to know it too.
Serves him right. I never liked him.
Saul has shown himself to us today. Ambrose abandoned our people, our children, and this is Saul's answer. This is Saul's judgment. This is his will.
Tali?
No,
You did nothing wrong.
no.
It's for the good of the colony. Now the others won't be afraid.
She had a baby inside. It was a mother. It was a mother.
That's a big twist. Right, so that's episode 4. That was pretty good actually. I enjoyed that. So they've killed the mother. I don't know what to call it. Animal. Um, and mother is in a sim, and dad or father is imagining the dead kid. That's just weird. I didn't think androids could do that, but maybe because she's syncing up to it, he's getting like a ghost of them because they're obviously connected a little bit. But I don't know about that. But good story so far. And the other people have killed the leader because he's completely he was dodge, man. He wasn't right. He was from right. And the artifact or the building or whatever they are, whatever it is producing heat again. That's pretty cool. I don't know. Maybe it's they sacrifice them to produce heat. Maybe that's one of the things. Again, I don't know. Um, I don't really know what that thing is, but it'd be nice to find out what that thing is for. But now that I'm assuming that guy's the leader now, so he's gonna obviously try to find the kids. That's gonna be a shock because of taking the beacons out. It's interesting. But yeah, it's starting to build up to a good ending. I don't remember how many episodes this is. It could be 8 or 10, but really good. It's building up and it's getting intense. Campion seems to be a liability at the minute because he's I wouldn't say he's just different. He's not thinking straight. He's using his emotions too much, and it's what Father said. He should they got to teach him to control his emotions, not just let him lead the emotions because it's going to get him killed eventually, which will be sad if it does happen that way. But it's part of growing up, man. You gotta learn to control your emotions, either constrain them, or you just use your emotions to your advantage, or to what you need them to do. You can't shut off your emotions because that's going to be the opposite way. But at least they have some food, maybe. Again, I don't know if they're going to eat it now that they figured out it's a mother. Um, but let's see. Have a good one. Can't wait for the next one. Bye.